Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this video, I'll show you how to find a Wi-Fi password in laptop from two methods, one from GUI based and one from CMD. So without any delay, let's get started. First, we'll try and see the Wi-Fi password from GUI based. So go to the search button, type run. In run button, type ncpa.cpl, ncpa.cpl. Press enter. Then here in the network connections, click on Wi-Fi status, then click on wireless properties, then security, then here is network security key, click on show characters, then you will find your Wi-Fi password. So this is one method. Let's try from another method, which is CMD. So type CMD. So here let's find out what are the Wi-Fi profiles that are connected in our laptop. So to find that, let's type this command. I'll put this command on the description as well. So these are the Wi-Fi profiles in our laptop. So I'm going to find the password of this first Wi-Fi, this one. So let's copy this one, then type this command. Paste the Wi-Fi name. Press enter. So once you press enter, this will show some profile information and other details. So under security setting, there is a key content and there is a password on the next to the key contents. So that's it for today. So there are two methods I showed in this video to find the Wi-Fi password, and you can try on your laptop too. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.